Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Did you know that produced water is the largest waste generated in oil industries? My name is Mansour Lahsani. I am going to talk to you this afternoon about the problem considered as industrial waste. This will help you to know more about produced water and treated from the oil mixture. First, I explain what the meaning of produced water. Second, different method of produced water treatment. Third, use new adsorbent. It is for adsorption or removal oil from produced water. And compare it to the activated carbon. Activated carbon which are used in industries as adsorbent now. Finally, I show to you the results of produced water concentration when using the new adsorbent as called mesoporous silica fibers and compare it to the activated carbon. This is the presentation outline. I show the introduction, what is the produced water, and after that going to the objectives, the results, and finally conclusion. Produced water is water found in the same formation as oil. When the oil produced to the surface, the produced water are brought to the surface also. It is referred as brine, sometimes it is referred as brine, salt water, or formation water. Produced water is the largest waste stream generated in oil industries. It is a mixture of different organic and inorganic compounds. Produced water is treated through different physical, chemical, and biological methods. Chemical treatment, it is corrosive and very sensitive and produces hazardous sludge. Also, biological methods or biological treatment is higher cost. The rate is very slow and required large storage tank. Physical treatment is proposed in this study because it is lower cost and removal oil from produced water on short time. For example, in oil industries now use activated carbon as adsorbent for adsorption or removal oil from produced water. But the problem it is needed more time and cannot be generated to use it another time. We prepare new adsorbent in the lab, call it mesoporous silica fibers as adsorbent for removal oil from produced water. The objective of it is to review the option of produced water treatment that are being considered by industry, and also to test the activity of mesoporous silica fibers for removal of suspended oil from water and compare it with activated carbon. Go to another slide. This is the result for test for mesoporous silica fibers as adsorbent. In the first one, look at the 10 minutes and after that 60 minutes, how the concentration is coming. And also this is the second test for mesoporous silica fibers, and this is for activated carbon, two tests also, and this is test for regenerated mesoporous silica fibers. The first thing, can anyone tell me which is the effect as adsorbent is better than for the removal suspended oil particles? At 60 minutes. Check the concentration. For the first one, it is 0.33. And for second test, it is 0.32. But check it about the activated carbon. Activated carbon, after 1 hour, it is 0.41. And for second test also, 0.43. But for the regenerated mesoporous silica fibers, it is 0.39. So that it is mean, in conclusion, the result shown that the mesoporous silica fibers is efficient adsorb to remove oil from produced water, and also mesoporous silica fibers can use it after regenerated compared to the activated carbon. Thank you for attention and listening. Does anyone have any questions?
What about?
Some of our topic, I think we will leave to the engineers.
Basically,
Yeah, it is not in, I am not going to technical, it is engineering, but it is in general what that,
Because we don't know
Because-
what MSF stands for.
what,
That is a measurement or something?
No, he told about it.
I am told that- yeah, I like absorbent. Yeah, absorbent. Because here in Oman industries, we use it activated carbon as adsorbent to remove oil from reduced water. But we scientists is a new adsorbent. We can use it in short time, and also we does use it as when you're getting regenerated also.
What you use this water for? What you require?
This is water when you go to the, when you produce it oil from the wells.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
So what the idea to just separate? For what we going to use this water?
You can use it, it is reuse it for, it is,
It's like
For
intake.
the
Yeah,
generator,
you can use it,
for
it
the
is
water,
for the-
getting boiling water.
So it's like.
It's not going to.
no, it is
Washing
not
purpose,
boiling
it
water.
will be going
It is
for
will be
water
reused, it like it is
treatment.
maybe reuse it for, it is maybe,
No, it cannot be used for water treatment as it's for drink.
not for the drink.
No, water
Not for the
treatment plant, it will go for water treatment plant.
It's as a
Then it
cooler
will
or
go to
something.
the boilers for the generator.
Yeah, we can use it.
Like as a cooler or as something like.
So it can be reused.
Reuse industrial.
In industrial, not in the drinking water or.
Something water intake, so you use it more.
No, there's
At
still
questions.
basically the water still actually exists within the, when you actually remove, when you actually rig it up basically, the water is still there with the oil, right?
Yeah, and we go to the separation and remove it, but it
It's
is,
for water treatment plant,
Yeah.
it will be treated.
yeah, we have that land.
Questions. What is
Okay.
the effect like regarding or impact regarding environment? Is there any effect?
For this one?
Yeah.
No, it is not effective.
I was at the Engineering Society in Sultan Qaboos University.
Yeah.
They gave an exhibition, made an exhibition, and some of the guys there had a similar filtration system using natural products like dates and the palms and the bark of the trees and stuff like that. What's this stuff made of? Regenerated MSF.
The MSF itself.
What's the composition of it? Is it a natural?
It's a
It is
salt.
natural, it is like a powder, it is.
Oh, it's not salt,
No, it is
silica
not.
fibers.
No, it is like a powder,
Okay.
yeah.
It's
We
natural,
scientists,
natural thing?
yeah, it is natural,
It's not a chemical compound?
no.
We modify that with a name of the chemical.
Okay, another question?
Yeah, thank you.
No questions?
Okay, thanks.